Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on Advanced Answers Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will analyze a branch pipe for its modal analysis. We will start by double-clicking on modal module. We'll first go to engineering data. Here I'll add the material HDPE. First, I'll give the density, which is 995 kg per meter cube. Then I'll give the value of isotropic elasticity. Young's modulus is 1.5 gigapascal, so E9, because I'm giving the value in Pascal, and the value of Poisson's ratio is 0.45. The other material which I'm going to use is stainless steel, so I'll go to engineering data sources, general materials, I'll choose stainless steel, I'll bookmark here. You can see the two materials have been added. I'll go to project and update project. Next, I'll go to geometry and right click and import the geometry of the branch pipe which I have already created. Next, I'll go to model and double click. I'll first go to geometry solid and I'll change the material to stainless steel. Next, I'll go to mesh and I'll directly update the mesh with whatever default size I have. We'll go to model, right click and insert fixed support. I'll choose face and I'll select this one, apply. Also at this end I'm going to insert fixed support. Next I'll go to solution, right click and solve. So you can see here there are 6 modes and 6 frequencies that have been generated. This is because in analysis setting the default max modes to find are 6. You can either increase or decrease this number if you want. I'll leave it to 6 itself. Then I'll go to this option here, left click, right click, select all, right click, create mode shape results. We can see here all the 6 deformations have been generated. So I'll go to solution now and solve. So now let's see the first deformation. Now this is too much of elements being seen here because I've given a very small mesh. So I'll go to edges and select no wireframe such that I can see the pipe only. Also I'll go to contours and select as smooth contour. I don't want to see the bands. I want the colors to blend into each other. At the first option you can see mode 1 frequency is 87.149 Hz and the deformation is 24.072 mm. You can animate and check the pattern of its motion. Next we'll go for deformation 2. You can see the pattern of its motion. Also you can see that the maximum deformation here is 23.063 mm for a frequency of 114.94 Hz. Then we'll go for the third mode. Here the value of frequency is 118.14 Hz. Maximum deformation is 25.407 mm. You can animate and check this. Then for the fourth one, you can see the frequency is 135.94 Hz and the maximum deformation is 29.006 mm. You can check its pattern of motion. Then we'll go for the fifth one. For the fifth mode, the frequency value is 193.61 Hz. Maximum deformation is 37.264 mm. You can animate and check its pattern of motion. Then we'll go for the sixth deformation. Value is 41.627 mm. Frequency is 199.35 Hz. You can also see its pattern of motion now. In case any other pressure or any other kind of motion creates this natural frequency being tapped for the pipe, it will show these amount of deformation. So if you want to avoid it, you will have to avoid the frequency. Now we'll change the material to HDP and we'll see the solution once again. If you have only one material to analyze for, you can use only one material. I am just showing you for two different materials. One is plastic material and one is metal. So we'll check for the first mode. The maximum deformation is 65.789 mm and the frequency is 23.307 Hz. You can see that for a lower value of frequency, the deformation is going to be quite high here. You can animate and check this result. It will be similar to the stainless steel material itself. Then we'll see for the second mode. Deformation is 65.445 mm and the frequency is 30.162 Hz. For the third mode, the maximum deformation is 70.449 mm and the frequency is 31.353 Hz. Then we'll go for the fourth mode. Here the maximum deformation is 76.86 mm and the frequency is 36.204 Hz. For the fifth mode, you can see the maximum frequency is 56.048 Hz and the deformation highest value is 68.146 mm. And for the last one, you can animate and see it will be similar to steel itself. The value of frequency is 61.404 Hz and the highest value of deformation is 94.264 mm. So you can see that for lower values of frequency as compared to stainless steel, the value of deformation is quite high. The reason is because we are using HDPE, which is a plastic material. So with this, I end the session. I hope you understood the analysis. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.